Hey guys, welcome back to Golden Off-Road. My name is Sergio. Today we have this beautiful 2012 Chevrolet Silverado that our techs are working on, getting it ready to be put back out on the lot and for sale. This Silverado is four-wheel drive with tons of extras. This 1500 has the V8 Flex Fuel 5.3 liter, currently has 145,000 miles. This truck has the 6-inch FabTech lift kit with 20x9, 814 Jester ballistic wheels. It also comes with the 35-inch Kuma Road Venture KL71 MTs. As you can see, they're really nice wheels and tires. This FabTech lift kit enhances the look of this great truck and provides a great ride off-road and on the highway. So if you're looking for an awesome truck, check us out at goldenmotorsonline.com or give us a call at 803-808-5235. We're located in Columbia, South Carolina. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. That way I can keep these videos going. If you have any questions about these trucks, leave a comment down below or check us out online at goldenmotorsonline.com. Thanks guys. Hey guys, thanks again for watching another episode of Golden Off-Road. As you can see, this vehicle is coming off the Lyman rack. And if you have any more questions about this vehicle, look us up at goldenmotorsonline.com or give us a call at 803-808-5235. My name is Sergio. All right, thanks a lot guys. Take care. Catch you on the next video. Bye.